The Philippine Air Force has grounded 11 fighter jets as it investigates a crash that claimed the lives of 2 pilots in Bukidnon. Here's the report.
The Philippine Air Force has grounded 11 FA-50 units after a fatal crash in Bukidnon. On Wednesday morning, a missing FA-50 fighter jet was found at Mount Kalatungan. Both pilots aboard did not survive the crash.
You would want to hold the details regarding their identities as of now because we want to make sure na nasabihan na po talaga yung kanilang mga pamilya.
Search teams located the crash site through the pilot's emergency transmitter and locator beacon. The aircraft went missing on March 4 during tactical night operations.
They lost contact with this specific aircraft several minutes before they reached their target area of operation.
The FA-50 is a supersonic light combat aircraft equipped with night vision capabilities, making it one of the Air Force's most modern assets. Authorities are still investigating whether the crash was caused by mechanical failure or human error.
Right now, it's hindi pa natin ma-conclude. Ginagather pa nila lahat ng mga facts doon sa Air Force unit namin. So mahirap tayong mag-conclude kung ano yung itsura ng wreckage and kung ano yung itsura ng mga pilots. Just to be clear, it was a crash. All the indications point to it. The wreckage, all indications point to it.
For News 5, Bril Montalvo, we are One News.
You know, we talked to Colonel yesterday. As of yesterday, we're still looking for them. We're hopeful that the beacon is from them. Tapos yun nga, the bad news came in na they found them pero they were dead already. And just to dispel all the rumors na baka daw pinaulanan ng bazooka or anything, hindi kasi grounded yung fleet eh. So if you're grounding them, that means that they're taking a look at a possibility of mechanical error or human error.
Or tumama sa puno. Parang gano'n. Isa sa mga nakikita nilang din.
Tumama sa puno. Pero para mataas
kasi there was no time to eject eh. Diba? Hindi naka-eject yung dalawang pilot doon eh.
Kasi these aircraft fly way above the ground, so I don't think natatama sa puno yan.
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero isa yun sa mga tinitignan nila.
Kasi
madilim. The tactical mission was operated
usually
at night.
Kasi pag didikit ka sa ground, they will not be using these FA-50s. They'll be using Black Hawks or helicopters. Pero if you're
ito yung mga nakikita natin sa Top Gun, di ba? Yung mga
hindi, ang sa Top Gun F-16, F-16, F-18 at F-22. These ones are night vision capable aircraft. Pero I doubt yung tatama sa puno kasi mataas siya. It's too high to be near the trees. That's the purpose ng flight ng airplane.
Okay. Alright. Siguro we still send out, of course, our prayers, diba, and condolences to the
to the 2 pilots.
And then, of course, sabi nga nila, kasi i-ground daw nila itong
11 aircraft.
11 aircraft na to. It was actually procured, or both under the Aquino administration back in 2015. So, check din nila, of course, kung may mga mechanical failure pa or whatever. And yung pag-ground nitong mga jets na to, fighter jets na to, will greatly impact daw ang operations ng Philippine Air Force.
Provided it's mechanical failure. Pero pag hindi naman mechanical after investigation, then they can
mga ilang mga ilang buwan bago nila malaman through the
Well, they have to get the black box. Paparead nila. If they may capability sila, mabilis na lang yan. Pero kung wala, they usually send it to the US para iparead or a third party.